In this video tutorial, we are going to compare pages with posts, step by step. So let's get started. So from your WordPress dashboard, select Add New from Posts. Here first, you need to enter your post title, then below enter your blog content. Once done, select the category for it, then insert tags, and click on Add button, set featured image for it and click on Publish button on top. For pages, select Add New from Pages. Here enter your page title. For example, Contact Us, About Us, Privacy Policy, etc. Here you have different options for your pages. For posts, we have categories and tags options. For pages, you have page attributes. Let's give it a title, About Us, and publish it from Publish button. Now go to Appearance and select Menus. Here you can see your pages. Below, when you click on Posts, you will see your posts. Select those you want to add and click on Add to Menu button. Once added, you can drag and drop it to set its position. Go to Pages and select All Pages. Here you can see all your pages. When you select All Posts from Posts, you can see all your posts from here. So this is the difference between pages and posts. Thank you for watching.